Start by finishing the edges of the pants pieces with a zigzag stitch. Next, sew the pocket bag, made of lining fabric, right side to right side along the pocket opening. Understitch the pocket bag by sewing along the stitching line on the lining piece, catching the seam allowance. Then iron the pocket bag to the inside. Now take the other pocket bag, made of the main fabric, and transfer the slanted line from your sewing pattern onto the fabric pieces. You can mark this by making small slits with your scissors. Align the pants piece along this slanted line and secure it at the top and side with short machine stitches. Iron the inside well. Pin the pocket bags together and sew them using a straight stitch, following the outline of the lining pocket piece. Trim the pocket bags to one size and finish them with a zigzag stitch. Starting with the edges of the lining bag, finish the edge of the main fabric pocket bag and the sides. You may notice that the pocket bag doesn't align with the upper edge of the pants yet. This will be corrected later when adding the pleats in the front. Before that, check out the next video on how to sew the zipper with an underlap in the front.